In this part of the section, I would like to share some valuable insights on hatchery management. First of all, let's see how you can ensure optimal hatching rates. Hatchery management involves creating the right conditions for eggs to hatch and ensuring the health of newly hatched chicks. Key practices include candling. Use a candling light to check egg fertility and monitor embryo development at 7, 14, and 18 days of incubation. Then, hatching environment. Maintain high humidity around 65 to 70% and reduce turning during the final 3 days to allow birds to position themselves for hatching. And sanitation. Clean and disinfect the incubator and hatching area regularly to prevent contamination. Lastly, post-hatch care. After hatching, provide a controlled brooding environment with proper temperature, ventilation, and nutrition to ensure the health and vitality of the birds. Now, I would like to talk about managing brooding conditions. At first, temperature and humidity. Maintain a brooding temperature of around 32 to 35 degrees Celsius during the first week, gradually reducing it as chicks grow. Humidity should be kept moderate to prevent dehydration and respiratory issues. Then, proper feeding and watering. Provide immediate access to water and a starter feed that is easy to digest and high in protein. Ensure feeders and drinkers are easily accessible and regularly cleaned. And space and bedding. Brooders should have ample space to move around. Use clean, dry bedding materials to absorb moisture and maintain warmth. Let's see a successful case study. A small commercial hatchery in Northern Ireland faced challenges with high chick mortality during the initial brooding period. After evaluating their brooding conditions, they adjusted the temperature settings and improved bedding management. The hatchery increased chick survival rates by 20% over the next cycle by introducing a more frequent health monitoring routine and adjusting feed composition. I believe this part of the section was quite beneficial for you to understand more about hatchery management. I am looking forward to seeing you soon. Till then, stay connected and keep learning. Goodbye.